Hello everyone, I am Praveen BR, Assistant Professor, Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering from Sai Vidya Institute of Technology, teaching you Electronics Laboratory for 3rd semester EEE students. In today's session, we are going to learn how to realize a BCD up counter and down counter using IC 74192. IC 74192 is a 16-pin IC which is used both for up counter and down counter. What is an up counter and down counter? It is an asynchronous counter having 10 discrete states which counts a binary sequence starting from 0000 to 1001 and again goes back to 0 and starts counting. Is called as the BCD up counter and down counter. Where do you apply the BCD up counter and down counter? They are applied in alarm clocks, setting AC timer. They are used in setting time in camera to take the picture. They are used in flashlight indicator in automobiles, car parking control, and they are also used for counting the time allotted for special process or event by the scheduler. So coming to the IC 7412, it is a 16-pin IC where there are 4 parallel data inputs P0, P1, P2, P3 and there are 4 outputs such as Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3. There are another pins such as TCU and TCD which are called as terminal count up output and terminal count down output. And there are 4 and 5 pins which are called as count up clockwise pulse input and count down clock pulse input. And there is MR which is called as asynchronous master reset input. And PL bar is called as the asynchronous parallel load input which is connected to the 11th pin. And to activate this, the 16th pin is connected to VCC and the 8th pin is connected to ground. So let us do the realization of BCD up counter and down counter. Coming to the digital trainer kit, this is the IC 74192 IC which is used for BCD up and down counter. We can observe here, these are the 4 inputs that are given. These are the 4 inputs that are given. What are the 4 inputs? They are the parallel inputs. That is 15, 1, 10 and 9. So these are the 15, 1, 10, 9 inputs which are given parallelly. And these are the output pins that are given. So which are the output pins here? You can observe 3, 2, 6, 7 are the output pins which are connected. Other than this, we are going to connect the 11th pin to the PL bar. So this is the 11th pin which is given to the PL bar and we are also connecting 4 and 5. So you can observe since we are doing up counter, so you can observe that the 5th pin is given to the clock, so which we have given it to the clock, and the 4th pin is connected to the high. So under the logic input, we are going to make it high. Whereas when we are connecting it as down counter, we are going to connect the 5th pin to the high and we are going to connect the 4th pin to the clock pulse. So this is how we are going to do BCD up counter and down counter. The important information with respect to terminal count up output and terminal count down output is after it completes one cycle, the TCU bar is going to blink, which indicates that it has completed one cycle. So this is the TCU bar which is connected over here, which is connected to the 12th pin. So once it completes one cycle, this particular LED is going to blink, which indicates that it has completed one cycle. So let us see how it works. So how do we start? We switch on the trainer kit. After turning on the trainer kit, I will turn on the PL bar to high. So PL bar is the 11th pin which I am turning on to high. And since I am doing up counter here, the 4th pin which I have connected to IC 74192 is going to be made high. Only when you make this high, you can the circuit works as BCD up counter. So let us see how the clock pulses are applied. So initially the value is 0, 0, 0. So for clock 0, you can observe that it is 0, 0, 0, 0. So when I apply the clock pulse, you can observe it is 0, 0, 0, 1. So you can observe it is 0, 0, 0, 1. Now for the next cycle, so let us see, I apply the clock pulse, I get 0, 0, 1, 0. So 0, 0, 1, 0. Again I am applying the clock pulse, I get 0, 0, 1, 1. Next time I apply the clock pulse, I get 0, 1, 0, 0. Next time I apply the clock pulse, I get 0, 1, 0, 1. Next time I apply the clock pulse, 0, 1, 1, 0. Next time I apply the clock pulse, it is 0, 1, 1, 1. Once again when I apply, it is 1, 0, 0, 0. Next time when I apply, it is 1, 0, 0, 1. So your BCD starts from 0 and ends up to 9. So once it completes 9, it will be reset to 0. So once again when I apply the clock pulse, it resets to 0. So let us see. So you can observe here that once we complete the cycle, you can observe that since we are doing up counter, you can observe that this particular TCD bar is turned, or it is off. It is showing off because we are using only up counter. It is used as the up counter, and this blinks, which shows that you have completed one cycle. So you can observe that the last one is 1001, which completes one cycle. Hence up counter is completed. You can observe that both TCU bar and TCD bar are high now. So when I apply the clock pulse, when I complete the clock pulse, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 is over. So you can observe here that it turns off. So this turning off of TCU bar indicates that it has completed one cycle. So this is the indication that it has finished the counting from 0 to 9. For down counter, what do? We just replace the 4th and the 5th pin. So I am going to remove the 4th pin and I will put the 5th pin. So 4th pin will be given to the clock and the 5th pin will be connected to one of the input here. Now let us see how the BCD down counter works. So for BCD down counter, once again I am going to make PL bar high. PL bar is made high, and initially you can see it will be 1001. Initially it will be 1001. This is the first state. When I apply the clock pulse, it goes to the next state 1000. Again when I apply the clock pulse, it becomes 0111. So this is 0111. Next is 0110. Next is 0101. Next is 0100. Next is 0011. Next is 0010. This is 0001. So the next time when I finish this, you can observe that after I complete the final thing, this will become 0. Yes. So this indicates that it has completed one cycle of down counter. Hence, we have realized both BCD up and down counter using IC 74192. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.